so I can be a shark. Burn 'em, burn 'em, burn 'em, burn 'em, burn. Hey guys on YouTube, so today I am basically proving the fact that when you turn 30 you can still do new and fun things. So we're gonna unbox the box that's been in the background of my stream for a while now because I've been waiting for a decent day, and today is kind of like, it's sunny. So in England we take the sunny day and we're gonna run with it, so let's get it. Okay, so basically I went on Amazon and I saw this thing on TikTok and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order one, I'm gonna do it. And yeah, you guys may have guessed it based on the information on the side. Can you see it? God, it's heavy. Guys, I'm scared. Oh, amazing. I have a dry case for that. A dry case for my phone with a thing. That's really handy because I don't know where mine is right now from holiday. Okay, so this is what I got. Instructions. And yes, I got myself a paddle board. If you guys guessed it, give yourselves a pat on the back. We have a bag, which is really handy because I don't plan on blowing this up right outside my house because that means I'd have to walk with the paddleboard to the entrance of the river. So I'm gonna take it with me, probably, although this looks kind of bulky, so maybe I will blow it up here. So we have a pump. So excited to put this around my my ankle, some fins for the paddleboard itself, so I can be a shark. Burn 'em. Anyway, sorry. And a paddle. So I'm guessing the idea is that all of this should fit in my paddleboard case. Okay, firstly, this is the paddle. This is easy to put together. I respect it. Done. Now, when I was a kid, I did used to, oh my god, it's extendable. Oh, that's sick. Okay, that's cool. We got a dry case by the looks of it. I don't know what the hell this is. It's like a non-slip patch. Little something there. I don't know. And then we have the paddle board. And that's it. That's what you get in the case. I'm going to have a quick flick of the instructions and then see what I need to take with me, and then kind of take it from there. I think what I'm going to do is take it out of this so I don't have rubbish with me when I go. If I can take it off this, that would be good. I did get a few prints. Oh my god, it's massive. This is going to take me ages to blow up. I already know that. Maybe I should blow it up here and then I can just walk it. Oh, it has that new smell. It smells nice. It smells nice. Okay, the only other thing I want to quickly check is like what way the fins go in, so I know. Two small and two big ones. Which should make sense because then, and then that goes through it. Okay. Get it. Okay, it makes sense. It makes sense, people. Right. Oh my god. Is it folded? I don't know. And so we're gonna just go to water, which is really cool. Right, we're gonna undo that so we can put it in the bag. The fins, put those in, need this thing, not exactly sure how that works either, so we're going to work that out. And then need this bad boy. well. Oh, and I do want this bad boy. This is actually really handy. Ooh, and I can carry my tripod in it as well. That's also handy. I do have one of these somewhere in black, but I just don't know where it is right now. But yeah, I highly recommend making sure that you have like all the dry stuff so you can take your stuff with you. I want to get a GoPro eventually. Okay, so we need to take this with us. Oh my god. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I'm gonna grab a water from the fridge and then I'm ready to go, I guess. Oh my god. This is gonna be so funny. Let's get it. Pretty simple. You just slot it in and then Bob's your uncle. So captains. Now I need to come up. Okay, so I just finished paddleboarding for the first time. I went down the river, not very far. I did actually stand up on my paddleboard. I'm really happy that I actually did that, but there was like a fishing wire in the middle of the lake. I don't know, it was so strange. I had to try and avoid that. I didn't manage to record everything. I definitely need a GoPro because it's so beautiful when you're on the water. Wow, the reflections in the water are amazing from the leaves, and it was really, really beautiful. So I'm definitely going to do that and hopefully make some more content in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also if you guys want to see me doing more explorative, adventure-y, new hobbies, let me know. Any ideas below would be appreciated. But yeah, bye.